Have you ever wished you could make a quick $100 in just one day without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, guess what? It's possible, and Swagbucks is here to make it happen. Swagbucks is a popular online platform that lets you earn rewards and cash by doing simple tasks. Here's a trick to help you reach that $100 mark in a single day. Firstly, sign up for Swagbucks if you haven't already. It's free and easy to join. Once you're in, explore the various ways to earn Swagbucks. You can start by taking surveys. They're quick and can earn you a good amount of SB. Additionally, watching short video clips, playing games, and even searching the web through Swagbucks can contribute to your earnings. One of the key tricks is to focus on high-paying activities. Some surveys and offers on Swagbucks provide more SB than others. Look for the ones that offer the best return for your time. Keep an eye on special promotions and time-limited offers, as they often come with bonus EAB, helping you reach your $100 goal faster. Another effective strategy is to use Swagbucks while shopping online. The platform offers cashback for purchases made through its links. So, if you were planning to make some online purchases, why not do it through Swagbucks and earn some extra SB? It's like getting paid to shop. Referring friends to Swagbucks can also boost your earnings significantly. Swagbucks has a referral program that rewards you with a percentage of your friends' earnings. Share your referral link with friends, family, or on social media, and watch your SB balance grow as they start earning. Furthermore, participating in daily goals and streaks can earn you bonus SB. Swagbucks often sets daily targets for various activities. If you meet these goals consistently, you'll receive extra SBA as a reward. It's a great way to accumulate additional earnings on top of your regular activities. Remember, consistency is key. While it might sound challenging to make $100 in a single day, combining various earning methods on Swagbucks can get you there. Be diligent in completing surveys, exploring offers, and taking advantage of bonuses. With a bit of time and effort, you'll find yourself celebrating that $100 milestone on Swagbucks. Making $100 in a day on Swagbucks is absolutely doable with the right approach. Sign up, explore the different earning options, focus on high-paying activities, use Swagbucks for online shopping, refer friends, and stay consistent with your efforts. Happy earning?